welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Simone. I make lifestyle videos, vlogs, and sometimes videos about dogs. You see my dog here. He wants to be on the camera so bad, so let's just give him his few seconds. Okay, there you go. But today's video is all about the Samsonite and Sarah Jessica Parker carried away convertible backpack. So I'm going on a quick trip this weekend, and while I was planning for that trip, I realized okay, I have many suitcases. I did a super cool review on the away suitcases and accessories I got. I will be sure to link that, but I don't have a carry-on bag. So I scoured the internet looking for the best carry-on bag. And when I say the best carry-on bag, I mean the best in quality, the best in price, functionality, and the way it looks, appearance, of course. And that's what brought me to Samsonite. I know Samsonite is a trusted luggage brand. I think my very first suitcase that I got ever, as a child, was a Samsonite, and it lasted me a very, very long time, so that means a lot. But I wanted to test out this Sarah Jessica Parker Samsonite bag because the reviews were phenomenal, and I love Sarah Jessica Parker. Who doesn't, honestly? So let's unbox this baby. So I ordered the bag directly from the Samsonite website on maybe a Sunday, and it got here on a Tuesday, which was so exciting because who doesn't love something that ships super fast? I didn't pay for express shipping. The shipping was just super fast. So it came in this normal brown box that I'm struggling to open. Oh, the bag is right inside of the box. I thought it was gonna be another box, but here it is. Okay. So the bag comes in 3 different color combos. I got the black, and I was so close to getting the green, but I'll talk about it a little later. But each bag comes with a pouch. Here's the pouch, and the green the pouch that came along with the green bag, not my style. So I was okay, I'll keep it simple with the black. But this is cute. Ah! I just got really into purchasing quality luggage. I want to keep my luggage for as long as possible. And this bag will be dual purpose for me. It's gonna be good for traveling, hopefully, and good for the office. It has this tag. It says by Sarah Jessica Parker and Samsonite, the carried away convertible. And what's so amazing and why this is called a convertible bag is because it has 5 different ways you can wear this one bag. Take a look here. You can wear it as a shoulder bag. You can wear it as a crossbody, as a handheld, a backpack, and the removable crossbody, which is so cool. Some other features I see in this little tag says that it has the removable convertible strap that I'll show you in a second, a stealth security pocket, so a discreet zippered pocket located on the back of the bag. Right here, where is it? Oh, right here. Right here. This is the stealth pocket. That's cool. I guess this is where you put your passport, your wallet, so when it's on your back or close to you, if whatever way you're holding this bag, no one, or maybe someone could, but it will be hard for you not to notice that someone's reaching in trying to steal your stuff. It has the smart sleeve, so you can stick this onto your luggage. The handle of your suitcase. Has a water bottle pocket right here. It has a 14.1 laptop capability. Dedicated laptop compartment fits most laptops up to 14 inches. We'll test that out. I have a 13-inch MacBook. And then finally, it's RFID protected. Featured in the removable crossbody, it safeguards travel essentials from identity theft. Did you even know that you needed that? I didn't, but I appreciate that. I am so excited about this bag. So for details, you'll see these 2 little snaps here. It says SJP for Sarah Jessica Parker, and that's how you release the pouch. You also have them up here to help hold the straps together if you're holding it as just a handheld like this. Of course, you have your 2 straps that are adjustable. Wow, that just adjusted as soon as I said adjustable. See if this one does it. Yep. The inside has this teal blue ish color where you would stick your laptop, I think. And let's take a look on the inside. Your strap. This is so cool. So I didn't get the green bag, but I at least got a green strap. And then the bag is stuffed with a bunch of paper you know, make it look cool. Jeez, there's like so much paper in here. Is there more? Oh no. The inside has this cool teal color as well. And then it has 2 pockets, one right here and one right here to stick maybe your cell phone, some pins. And then on the deep inside, this is gonna be so hard for me to show you. Can you see it? It's like it's on my shoulder, wow. But here's like a sparkly band where you can maybe stick your umbrella or something that you want to just stay stabilized within the bag. I'm liking it. It looks very spacious right now. So let's talk about this pouch. So the pouch is like this black, I think, pleather material, and it says SJP for Sarah Jessica Parker, and then it has the Samsonite logo there. The zipper has this fun like rainbow design. And then on the inside, it's just a simple pouch with 1 pocket. So this will be good to hold like your phone, some mints, your glasses. And then the strap. So the strap seems to be like a nylon green strap with black detail, and then the clasp are silver. I love this neon green and black combo. It's so cute. So you can clip these clips onto the pouch and then wear it as a crossbody like so, over your shoulder like this. Oh my god, why is my dress so dirty? Ignore that. Because I'm going to New Orleans this weekend and I'm only just gonna bring this bag. I will let you guys know how that goes, traveling with just this one bag. But my plan is to land, go put this bag in the hotel room, take this pouch off, and call it a day. And I am so grateful that Sarah Jessica Parker added this pouch as an option. So awesome. Okay, so like I mentioned earlier, the bag is able to be worn in about 5 different ways. So if you wanted to transform the bag into a different style, you would unhook the bottom where you have the backpack straps and actually just tuck them in. Okay, so once you have those straps all tucked in, now it's just a handheld. So that's pretty cool. All right, now let's turn it into a shoulder bag. So you take your strap. I can't get enough of this strap. I love the color of it. But you'll find these silver hooks here. Take your strap, clip it on one side, and then go to the other and do the same. And boom, now it's a shoulder bag. And you have easy access to this pocket, to the zipper. It's awesome. Okay, and another style to wear this is to take that same setup for the shoulder, put it over your head, and now it's a crossbody. More secure, so no one can just run past you and snatch it off of you. They would actually like snatch your whole body. It can still happen now, but less likely. But still, that same easy access, you pull out your pouch, if you need it, where you would have your wallet and stuff. Zip. Got you. So, and then last but not least, we have the backpack version. This one's pretty self-explanatory, but why not take a look? So I'll remove the straps, fasten them back to the clip at the bottom of the bag, and throw it on the back. And this is cool. You literally have 5 different bags in one. I love this. I love this bag. So let's do a packing test. Like I said, I'm going on a trip that I'm only taking this bag, and let's see if it fits everything I'm gonna pack. So my trip's only 1 day, so I'm going to need toiletries. I'm bringing my camera equipment, and I keep toiletries in one of these away minis. And then I keep my camera equipment, like my memory cards, chargers, batteries, all that, in another one. So it needs to fit these. I'll be packing my iPad. I'm also gonna have my laptop, my water bottle, a mini tripod, and then of course I'm gonna have some clothes, and I got these packing cubes from the Container Store that I'm going to organize all my clothes in. So I'm gonna go throw some fake clothes in here, and then we will see how this works out. All right, let's see if she passes the packing test. So my fake clothes here, I'm gonna throw that in first. My laptop. And it fits. That's great. But is it secure? If my bag happens to slide on the side, oh my gosh, it's kind of falling out, but not at the rate I would expect. But it's not as tight as I would want a laptop sleeve to be. I guess it leaves extra room if you have a bulkier laptop, but that's a concern for me. I'm gonna need my toiletry little mini suitcase. Okay, that fits in easy. My other Away mini. So we have 2 of those in there. My Hydro Flask water bottle. Will it fit? It's forced. I had to force it in there, but that's actually great because I know as I, rustle my bag around, it's not gonna fall out like how maybe my laptop would. My mini tripod, my iPad. This one's struggling to get in there. We'll see. Like I'm forcing it. It fits, but I had to literally force it. And I'm assuming that I'm gonna have dirty clothes, so I brought another packing cube just to pretend like I have dirty clothes. Sticking that in there. Let's see if she zips. Ooh, it's tough, but it's zipping. Now that's just the outer bag. And it's heavy because I have a lot of things. I have a laptop, an iPad, a tripod, toiletries. But let's see how this pouch holds up. So we'll put the backpack to the side. And some things I would put in this wallet realistically are my phone. I just have an iPhone 11. I don't really remember the size and specs of that, but I'll throw it in there. Like some chapstick, my wallet, of course, my keys, and my taser. Will it fit? It won't. So I would have to eliminate my taser. There goes my safety. Wow. I can take some keys off of my keychain, but for the most part, I need them. The only things that'll fit comfortably in this are flat things like phones and wallets if your wallet is small like mine. So just keep that in mind if you are interested in this bag, that the pouch, it's just simply a pouch. It's not for, a book, like just small things. Snap. All right, this was fun to review, but let me share you my initial thoughts. The bag is so cute. It's really classic. I cannot see this running out of style anytime soon. I love the fact that it's a convertible. Depending on my outfit, I can wear it whatever type of way. I love, love, love the fact that it comes with a pouch. I really love this strap. It makes the bag so fun. And if you don't like the color, you can always buy maybe just a simple black strap, but I love how it brings a pop of color to this. There are some things I'm worried about. The laptop sleeve. I'm afraid if I put my bag down wrong, my laptop may fall out and I wouldn't even know. I will be able to pack successfully for my weekend trip, but it's really tight. I won't have any room to pack souvenirs, so I'm gonna have to hold that in my hand. But overall, I really like this bag. It seems really sturdy. It seems easy to clean. If it does get a stain, I can just wipe it off. It has this seemingly weatherproof material, so if it rains, not storms, like maybe a light sprinkle, I'll be okay. And I just read it has a limited 3-year warranty. 3 years. So this bag ran me about 194 bucks. It's on the pricier side, but this is what you get for a quality bag like this. So let me know your thoughts. Would you get this bag? What color would you get? And where would you take it first? Would it be more of a work bag, a travel carry-on bag, an everyday bag? You let me know. Can't wait to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching. See you next week. Bye.